Welcome to today's story of automation, wastage management in manufacturing industries. This is Claudia. She works as a production manager at a manufacturing company. She has a pal, Speedy. She receives assistance from an RPA bot for repetitive tasks, 24/7. She uses Speedy to help herself in the tedious task of wastage management. Speedy is triggered by Claudia for inputting details like material, quantity, actions to be taken. Speedy, based on the action, does following things. If the material needs to be scrapped, it notifies the dedicated team and the accounts team regarding the scrap sales. If the material needs to be replaced, it sends an email to the vendor for replacement. If the material is needed to be repaired, it notifies the respective team. Speedy creates entries in the ERP and inventory management software. While Speedy does all these mundane tasks, to complete the assignment, Claudia talks to the vendors and other management folks to get things done. After all, a human's job is to do meaningful things. Does this excite you? We automate your boring things, so you can focus on more intelligent tasks. EmergeFlow, making the life easier with the power of automation.